Unlock the breathtaking image quality of your Sony A7 IV with these essential photography settings. First, let's choose your shooting mode for full control. Switch to Aperture Priority, Shutter Priority S, or Manual M for beginners. Aperture Priority lets you control depth of field. Aperture, measured in stops, controls how much light enters the lens and affects depth of field. A lower number like f/28 creates a shallow depth of field perfect for portraits. Blurring the background. A higher number like f/16 keeps everything sharp. Ideal for landscapes. Shutter speed determines how long the camera's sensor is exposed to light. Fast shutter speeds, like 1/1000th of a second. Freeze action. Slower speeds, like 1/30th of a second, can create motion blur, but require a steady hand or tripod. ISO controls your camera's sensitivity to light. Keep it as low as possible, like ISO 100, for the cleanest image in low light. Increase it, but be aware that higher ISOs introduce noise. Mastering focus is crucial for stationary subjects. Use AFS single autofocus for moving subjects. Use AFC continuous autofocus to track them. Experiment with focus area modes like Y, zone, and spot for precise control. For portraits, use a wide aperture low number and AFS with autofocus. For landscapes, use a narrow aperture high number and manual focus to ensure everything is sharp. For action shots, use a fast shutter speed and AFC to freeze the motion. By understanding aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and focusing modes, you'll unlock the full potential of your Sony A7 IV and capture stunning photos in any situation. Happy shooting!